everyone, my name is Jack Ma. You may know me as the founder of Alibaba Group, an e-commerce company, and I will be telling you a story about my life. I was born in the 10th day of September 1964 at Hangzhou, which is located in the Zhejiang province in China. My mother is Cui Wenxia and my father is Ma Lai Fa. In 1988, I got married to a woman who went to the same university I went to. Her name is Zhang Ying. 4 years later, we got our first newborn who we named Ma Yan Kun. Then we had a daughter named Ma Yan Bao and another child we don't expose. As a child, I loved studying English so much to the point I would ride kilometers with my bicycle to be a tour guide for the tourists in the area to practice the language for 9 years. Between all the foreigners, I managed to be pen pals with one of them who nicknamed me Jack, as my Chinese name was too hard to pronounce. I wasn't really a great student then. My weak point was mathematics, and it made me fail my entrance exam for college twice. I even applied for Harvard Business School 10 times and got rejected each time. Fortunately, I was able to pass the Chinese entrance exams after 3 years. I attended Hangzhou Teachers Institute and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in English. After graduating, I went for 31 different jobs and was rejected by everyone. I went for a job with the police, but they said that I was no good. I even applied for KFC when it came to my city. All 23 out of 24 applicants were accepted, which makes me the only one rejected. I am grateful I didn't stumble upon any other obstacles after that, making my path go smoothly. In 1994, I heard about the internet and also started my first company, Hangzhou Haibo Translation Agency. And in 1995, I had a trip to the United States on behalf of the Hangzhou city government with my colleagues who introduced me to the internet. Then I tried to search for general information about China, and how surprised I was to find nothing. So my friend and I decided to launch a website related to China and realized that the internet had something great to offer after receiving emails from Chinese investors. I began building websites for Chinese companies with the help from my friends. From 1998 to 1999, I headed an information technology company established by the China International Electronic Commerce Center. Then I quit and returned to Hangzhou to find Alibaba, the company that made me become well known like now. I have been talking about how I went from zero to the person I am now, and I think it's more than enough. I would like to thank everyone who is watching, and I hope you can take my story as an inspiration. Remember to never give up, since giving up is a great failure and holding on is another chance to win.